In this tutorial, we're going to look at using Quicktime Player to create ringtones. Traditionally, GarageBand has been used to make ringtones, but I find it a little more difficult. As you can see, we have an MP3 on the desktop. We're going to go ahead and convert this into a ringtone file. Simply right-click on the document, and instead of opening it with iTunes, let's open it with Quicktime Player. If we navigate to the Edit menu, you'll see a Trim option. Select the Trim option. It's best to spread out the window so that we can see the whole waveform. There are yellow tabs on each side of the waveform. Simply drag the yellow tabs to the desired spots. We'll find the beginning of where we would like our ringtone to start. We'll then take the other side and find the end.
Just go ahead now, and if you like to tell me, baby, just go ahead now, and if you wanna buy me flowers, just go ahead now, and if you like to talk for hours, just go ahead.
This is good enough for us now. Let's go ahead and click the Trim button, and QuickTime now trims to the selection. As you can see, it is now only 18 seconds long. We can go ahead and export this simply to a file on the desktop. We're going to save it as audio only. We can go ahead and quit Quicktime Player and then change the extension on the file we just created to .m4r. When it asks us if we'd like to change it, say yes, we'd like to use M4R. If we double click it now, it will open in iTunes under our ringtone section. I find this option much easier than using GarageBand. This is all it takes to make a ringtone in Mac OS X.